Hello, this video is going to cover how to find the data values that you're going to use to make your box plot. So the first step is to look up your occupational code. So what you see here is a URL that you can get to either by copying and pasting it into the address bar, or I'm going to control click over it and be taken to the page. Once you're at the website page, what you see is a lot of different numbers and occupations. So let's go ahead and scroll up till we get to the title of the page. And here we see it's Occupational Employment Statistics for May 2015. As I scroll down just a bit, I see that I have all occupations by very general groupings. So since I'm interested in finding statisticians, what I'm going to look for is, looks like here, computer and mathematical occupations, but as you look through all the rest of them, you see that's probably my best choice. When I click on that, it takes me to a portion of the long list, but remember, this list is really all there. So I am looking through the 15s, and then specifically I want to see within the mathematical and computer sciences occupations, where is the statisticians? And look at this, like it's right here, statisticians. So the code that I'm looking for is 15-2041. So that's the code I want. Now you go back to your file, scroll down a little until you get to your table, and here I want to put in code is 15-2041, and that's for the occupation of statistician. Okay. Now, that's to get our code. Now I want to go to the second web page here. This is going to give me my data values by state. So let's go ahead and over there. And there it is, Occupational Employment Statistics by state. Let's scroll down a little so we get a clear map, a view of the map. And let's say now I want to find for Florida, what is the mean, the average annual salary for statisticians in Florida. Let's go ahead and click on that. And again, you see that general grouping. I want to go to the computer and mathematical occupations and look under my specific code, 15-2041 for statisticians. And here we go. There's the average annual salary, $63,420, which we're going to round to 63. So let's go back to our file. And now what we see here for Florida, I want to enter 63. Okay. Now let's go ahead and look up another value just so you can see it again. I'm back on this web page, and I'm going to have to go back once to get to the Florida, and then back again to get to the map of the United States. So let's say I want to look up one more value. Let's say for Texas. And again, here, go to the specific grouping, and now look up your specific code, 15-2041. There it is, 77,740. So let's round to 78. So now I'm going to go to my table, and here for Texas, I'm going to put in 78. So essentially you're going to do this until you fill in the entire table here with your values, and then scroll down a little bit more in this file page, and you'll see a map of the United States. And what I'd like you to do, I have this all filled out for the statisticians' wages so that you can see how well you would do if you become a statistician. But let's say here I didn't have 78 here for Texas. What I want to do to change this is just hover over here till I see the text box up here. Go ahead and overwrite here and put in whatever value you had. In my case, I'm putting back in 78. So you're going to do this for all of your values so you can get an idea geographically of what your particular occupation that you're interested in is making for their annual average salaries. Thanks so much for listening.